Hello, today we'll start Mathematics Class 6 R.D. Sharma. Chapter number 4, Operation on Whole Number. Exercise 4.3. In that, question number 5, find the value of each of the following using properties. Now first one it is there 493 into 8 plus 493 into 2. Here we have to take out common 493. Okay, let us do. First one, I am taking out this common 493, 493. So, what should be there? 493 multiplied by 8 plus 2. Okay, this common we have taken out. So, 493 into 8 plus 2 is 10. So, answer is 4930. Let us see the third one, which is question is 5168 multiplied by 184 minus 1568 multiplied by 84. This is our question. So first we have to take out this common. Okay, so what we will do, 1568 common multiply by 184 minus 84, so equal to 1568 multiply by 100, because 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 3 0 and 1. So answer is 15680. Now we will do question number 6. Determine the product of first one, the greatest number of 4 digit and the smallest number of 3 digit. Now say me the greatest number of 4 digit is 9999. Okay, and the smallest number of 3 digit is 100. We have to find the product, so we have to multiply it. Question 6, first one. First of all, what we have to write? Greatest 4 digit number equal to 9999 and smallest 3 digit number equal to 100. Here we have to find the product. So product equal to 999 equal to 100, which is equal to 999900. 9,99,900 is your answer. Now see the second one, the greatest number of 5 digit and the greatest number of 3 digit. Greatest number of 5 digit is 99,999 and greatest number of 3 digit is 999. So both we have to multiply it. Here we have to multiply it. Greatest 5 digit number equal to 99,999 and greatest 3 digit number, which is equal to 999. Product equal to 99999 multiplied by 999. So we can use the distributive method, multiply by 100,000 minus 1. Now split it up into 1000 minus 99,999 into 1. So equal to, answer is only 1000, right? So 30 minus 99,999. This we have to minus. So I am using your rough work. 99999 5 times 1 2 3 4 5 and 3 times 0. Here 9 9 9 9 and 9. 5 9 is there. Okay, so minus it. 10 9 9 18 18, 8. Now 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 9 0, 0, 18 minus 9 9, 18 minus 9 9, then 8, 9, 9. Your answer is 9, 9, 9, 8, 9, 9, 0, 0, 1. Okay, that is your answer. Let us see question number 7. In question number 7, what we had given that each of the following fill in the blanks so that the statement is true. Here we have to fill the blanks. What comes here? So first one we will do. First question is 500 plus 7 multiplied by 300 minus 1 equal to 299 multiplied by dash. This dash we have to find. So solve it. 500 plus 7 into 300 minus 7, which is equal to 507 multiplied by 300 minus 1 is 299. Now 299 is given, so we have to write 507 is the answer. Simple. Now we'll see second one. Question is 888 plus 777 plus 555 equal to 111 multiplied by dash. Now here what you had given 111 common. Okay, so in this we will take common 111. So multiply by what will came 8. 8 into 111 888 plus 7 into 111 777 plus 5 into 111 is 555, which is equal to 111 multiplied by 8 plus 7 plus 5 is 20. So what we have? 20 is the answer. Now question number 3. In that question is 75 multiplied by 425 equal to 70 plus 5 multiplied by dash plus 85. So here we had given this one. Okay, so 75 multiplied by 425 equal to, we can write this is 70 plus 5. Okay, multiply by plus 85 given. Okay, so this 425 minus 85, so 0, 12 and 3. 12 minus 8 is 4 and 3. So answer is 340. Okay, I had just minus this 425 into 85. So answer is 340. So 340 plus 85 is 425. Correct? Now question number 4. 89 into 100 minus 2 equal to 98 into 100 minus dash. So equal to, first of all what we had given 89 multiplied by 100 minus 2. So 89 into 100 minus 2 is 98. So if we will split 98, I just interchange the place of both numbers. So 98 into 89 also same. 98 into what we have 100 minus, if we'll minus 100 minus 89, so 10 9 0, 10 minus 9 is 1, 8 minus 1 1, 11. If we minus 100 minus 11 is 89. Got the answer? So 98 multiplied by 100 minus 11. Okay, now fifth one, 15 plus 5, 15 minus 5 equal to 2 to 5 minus dash. Now here 15 plus 5 and 15 minus 5, which is 15 plus 5 is 20 multiply by 15 minus 5 is 10. So 20 into 10 is 200. Now we'll split it, that 225 minus 25 which is 200. Okay, so your answer is 20. Question number 6. 9 into 10,000 plus dash equal to 98766. Now here what we have to find this number. So we'll take this number for solution, 98766. Here they had taken 9 common. So we'll divide this number by 9. So 9 multiply by, divided 98766, 9 ones are 9, 0. Okay, again 8, 0 will take 7, 9, 9s are 81. So minus 0, 6 will come, 6 again, 9, 7s are 63, 0, 3, 6, and 9 4s are 36, 0, 0. Here we had divide this number by 9. So answer is 10974. So if we will multiply 9 into 10974, the answer is 98766. Okay, now we have to split this number. So we'll split it, 10,000 plus 974. So what is our answer? 10,000 plus 974 is your answer. Understood? Again I am explaining. I am taking, because here we have to find, so I am taking this right hand side number. So equal to, here they had taken common 9, so common we have to take 9 into, just divide this number by 9. So answer is 10974. If we will multiply, answer is same. Okay, now this number we have to split. So 10,000 plus 974, which is equal to 10974. So answer came 974 is the answer. Question number A. A dealer purchased 125 color TV set. If the cost of each set is rupees 19,820, determine the cost of all sets together. Now for the one set, rupees 19,820 cost. So for the cost 125 color TV, how much? You had given that cost of one color television set equal to rupees 19,820. So for the cost of 125 color television set equal to how much? Cross multiplication. So 125 multiplied by 19820, which is equal to rupees. This we have to multiply, or you can use the distributive property. Okay, I am simply multiplying it. The answer is 2477500, or another, or you can use the distributive law, which is 19820 into 125 equal to 19820 multiplied by 100 plus 25 equal to 19820 multiplied by 100 plus 19820 multiplied by 25, which is equal to 1982000, plus this we have to multiply. So I am doing over here 19820 into 25, 0, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 19, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 1s are 2 and plus 3, plus this rough work I am using. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40, 41. 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 4, 49. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So 0 0 5 8, 9 plus 6 15, 9 plus 9 18, 19. 3 plus 1 4, 4 9 5 5 0 0 is your answer. Now this we have to plus it. So again 9 1982 0 0 0 plus 0 0 5 5 9 4, 0 0 5 5 plus 2 5 6 7, 9 plus 8 17, 9 10 4 14 2. So 2 4 7 7 5 0 0 is the answer. Put the answer same, you can use any method of them. Therefore, cost of 125 color television set is rupees 247750. 24,77,500 is your answer. Now do question number 9. See the question number 9. In that, what we had given, the annual fee charged from a student of class 6 in a school is rupees 8880, 8880. If there are in all 235 students in class 6, find the total collection. Now you had given for one student fees is rupees 8880. We have to find for the student 235 student how much. So what we had given, students and fees. For one students rupees 8880. So for the 235 students, how much? Cross multiply. So 235 multiplied by 8880. So their answer is rupees 208680. Okay, here also you can use the distributive property method, or you can do the simply multiplication. Okay, so their answer is, therefore fee charged from 235 students are rupees 2,20,86,800. Okay, that's your answer. Question number 11. The product of two whole number is 0. What do you conclude? Now we have to multiply some number and the answer is 0. That when possible, if your number 1 multiplied by 0, any number with 0 is equal to 0, or both the number can 0 then equal to 0. Okay, so what our answer is, if the product of two whole number is 0, if it means either one of the number is 0 or the both numbers are 0. Okay, so what we can write in statement, what we can write, either one number, one of them is 0 or both of them are 0. For example, 2 into 0 equal to 0. So one number is 0, or 0 into 0 is 0. Okay. Question number 12. What are the whole number which when multiply itself give the same number. Now if we multiply any number with themselves, the number is that only. So here I am taking example 2 into 2 equal to 4. I am multiplying 2 into 2 means that number into that number equal to another number. So 2 is not there. So which number will came? That if we'll take 1 into 1 equal to 1. So 1 is satisfied. So 1 came. And 0 into 0 equal to also 0. So 0. If we multiply 1 and 0 with themselves, the answer is that only. Okay. So answer is 1 and 0. Thank you for watching this video.